does this solar dye kit work? First, choose your base. Both of them are merino, cashmere, nylon. Next, choose your dye material. We have cochineal that comes from insects that live on paddle cactus. Those give a variety of pinks. We also have marigolds and coreopsis that we grow in our own garden. Next, add water and heat. Put in there, sprinkle some more. Now I'm just pouring pure water in. And let it get some sun. Okay. And this is the cochineal skein. And the last step is to have fun with your solar dye kit.
Okay, here's the most fun step.